After trying out many recipes of cheesecake, today I bring you a cheesecake that is made with white chocolate and swirl of blueberry compote on top. And the best part, it is completely eggless. The texture is ultra creamy that is complemented by the buttery crust. Hi guys, I am Chef Varuna from Truffulation Baking School, where we turn your passion for baking into a profitable business in just 6 months. Also guys, if you're wondering if we use the same recipes from the offline course, then the answer is absolutely no. We curate different recipes for both online and offline courses. And if you're interested in taking offline courses, then click the link in the description area to know about the courses. And अगर आप ये वीडियो पहली बार देख रहे हैं, then subscribe to our channel because we share trendy and new recipes every week. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम चीज केक के लिए रिंग तैयार करेंगे. And for that, we are using this square ring of 6 by 6 inch. We'll cling wrap it twice and then cover it with an aluminum foil so that ये नीचे से लीक ना हो. So हमारा रिंग तैयार है. अब हम इसकी बेस बनाएंगे. Now in this bowl, we'll add in grinded digestive biscuits and melted butter और अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेंगे. If you do not have digestive biscuits, you can literally use any biscuit crumb that you like. अब हम इसे रिंग में डाल के अच्छे से स्मूथ कर लेंगे. Now we'll bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes and we'll let it cool down completely. Meanwhile, let's make the cheesecake filling. We'll now soften cream cheese and castor sugar with some salt together in this bowl. Making this cheesecake is really easy, so be patient and wait for the result. Now in this cream cheese mixture, we'll add in room temperature melted white chocolate. Although आप यहाँ पे compound भी use कर सकते हो, but coverture हमें richer flavor देगा. Followed by condensed milk, some yogurt and vanilla essence. इसे हम अच्छे से mix कर लेंगे. We are almost done with the cheesecake. Now in this, we'll sift in corn flour and mix properly. हमारा बिस्किट बेस भी अच्छे से बेक और कूल हो चुका है. अब हम इसके ऊपर अपना चीज केक फिलिंग डालेंगे और अच्छे से स्मूथ कर लेंगे. Now we'll add blueberry compote on top randomly and give swirl effect. So हमारा चीज केक बेकिंग के लिए रेडी है. We'll fill the tray with warm water until 1/3 of the ring. Now we'll bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes on lower rod only. So our cheesecake is out of the oven and has come to room temperature. We'll remove it from the tray and then keep it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours so that the cheesecake sets properly. Also guys, if you're liking this video, then I'm sure आपको हमारी burnt Bast cheesecake की रेसिपी भी जरूर पसंद आएगी, जिसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन एरिया पे मिल जाएगी. So our cheesecake has set properly. Now we'll demold it. We'll remove the aluminum foil and the cling wraps. Then we'll run a heat gun around the outer side of the ring and lift the ring from the cheesecake. Now we'll cut it into 9 equal parts. And with this, we are done with this white chocolate and blueberry cheesecake. I hope आपको हमारी ये रेसिपी जरूर पसंद आई हो. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified. And let us know in the comment section which is your favorite cheesecake. And the most commented one will be covered in our next cheesecake video. And I'll be back with another new recipe. Till then, keep baking. If you do not have digestive biscuits, Do not worry, लिट्टी चोखा डालेंगे चीज केक में.
It's her choice.